crime review, which is a annual affair. So this year, the Telangana has been the law and order in Telangana has been good in all parameters. It has been well maintained in the state, and there is no violent crime of any note. The Maoist and communal outfits and terrorist outfits also are totally under check. We have had very good bandobast this year. We had three international level events. First one was the Miss India, Miss World event in May, which went off very well. Never was it never was it held in Hyderabad or Telangana or in this part of India, and it was held very well. It was conducted very well, and there was no issues at all. And followed by, we had this month in December itself, we had two important events, global events. One is Global Summit of Telangana Rising 2047. It was also held very well, efficiently managed, very successfully managed event, where hundreds of people from different parts of the world had attended, and there was no issues at all as far as Global Summit is concerned from the police point of view. And secondly, from the another major incident which occurred in Hyderabad. The event which was held in Hyderabad was in middle of December, where Lionel Messi had visited Hyderabad as part of his soccer football show. And the same day, the event in Hyderabad was held on the same day on which the incident in Calcutta had occurred. So there was a lot of pressure on us, but luckily, with all the support from the government and also from the spectators audience, we had conducted the Messi show also quite well. There was no issues at all. So these three international events passed off in Telangana without any hiccup, without any problem. And then we have the Telangana, the India Justice Report, which was released about 5-6 months back. It shows that Telangana stands number one in in controlling many parameters in crime, and it goes to the credit of the police officers working in Telangana, the way they are working. And we had also had Gram Panchayat elections in Telangana this month. And again, this entire Gram Panchayat elections went off very well, went off peacefully without any small incident. And in fact, the police got a good name for being impartial and absolutely fair. So there has been a decrease of 2.33% of crime in Telangana as compared to last year. And major crime, like there has been a reduction in murder cases, there has been a reduction in rape cases substantially, and then even conviction percentage has increased. Even property offences are also under check compared to previous years. 2025 has seen 509 Maoists surrendering, of which 483 Maoist cadres belong to Chhattisgarh, 24 belong to Telangana, and one each from AP and Maharashtra. Out of these 509 cadres, there are top cadres like central committee members are also there, state committee members are also there.
Is there any chance of regrouping that you're saying that now that so many surrenders are coming and there is an exodus?
I don't think, because not only that they are surrendering, coming forward to surrender, they are also surrendering with weapons. That itself shows that now they have lost the sheen and they lost the momentum. So I don't think there is any regrouping such.
Yeah. So how are the security measures are being taken in view of New Year?
Sir, CPs in Hyderabad, Cyberabad, the newly coming up commissioners, Future City as well as Malkajgiri, they all already prepared their own action plans, and we have the information about how it happened last year and previous years. So based on that, we'll definitely try to do a better job of it.
So one big challenge that the people and the police is facing is the events that are being organized by stars or celebrities in Hyderabad city, stampede-like incidents, mob lynching, and recently the actress is twice in a mob. So all these incidents coming up at this particular point of time, is there any mechanism or anything that the police have to say a warning to these people or a request to these people?
This mob lynching, I don't think there was any such kind of thing, so I don't think it's not correct. Maybe some misbehavior with some fellows must have happened at an event where some cinema stars attended, particularly female stars. So, see, this is basically the organizers have to take police permission in advance. Normally, क्या होता है, this since it's small affair, so there is no need for police permission. बोल के they try to avoid rather not take permission, which is not correct actually. Even if it's a small event, also where some celebrities coming for whatever it is, whatever reason, police they should take permission of the police in advance, and they should assess the situation as to how many people are coming, how many people have been invited, how many people are coming uninvited. So when these kind of things do not happen, when these kind of things are not informed to police in advance, then this misbehavior with the celebrities occur. And this is only one of its incidents. Every day so many incidents occur in Hyderabad. This one of an incident can't be an indication that
case registered, action taken in that.
Yeah, in that case also case was registered, and those fellows who had misbehaved with her were arrested.
One thing, sir, in Balapur we've seen certain videos where police is right now not allowing residents to move out in the night, and the other side of the city, in the new city, we see pubs and hookah bars are open late night till 3 or 4 a.m. Anything to curb these kind of...
I'll see. This did not come to my notice. I'll check with the commissioners.
So just a couple of days ago, KCR had made a specific allegation on the law and order issue.
All are waiting.
No. Law and order is totally under control. I've already told you. In the book itself is an example. It contains everything, all the information. Even the crime has increased also we mentioned. Crime decrease also we mentioned. So that statement is not correct. So we have that system is very clearly demarcated. System is very clearly defined. Where on how many days we have to send the report, and what kind of investigation we have to conduct, and in the custodial days we have to follow the CRPC, and the magistrate will come there. He'll conduct the inquest and all that. So everything we are following. In fact, this year in July, 2 days, the entire Human Rights Commission was here in Hyderabad. So they had an appreciation for Telangana people that they are following the process properly, and they are doing a good job of it. So I don't think there is any issue with it. We'll provide. We already provided, and if it's anything pending, we'll provide. कौन से मतलब पुलिस में?
तो इसको लेकर कुछ बताने,
तो इसलिए अब मैं बोला इससे पहले कि जो ACB वाले को पूरे गवर्नमेंट ने पूरा फ्रीडम दिया है कि गो अहेड without any hesitation against the corrupt officers. Whether it is police or non-police is a different matter. But we must have seen so many officers we have arrested. I mean, we have taken to task. And also, even if some small incident of corruption comes to our notice, we are immediately shifting him, or we are taking action on him if it is a serious thing. So I don't think that's correct. Corruption has बढ़ गया है. लेकिन I am not saying that there is no corruption. There is corruption, absolutely, and there is no doubt about it. And we'll take whichever comes to our notice, whatever piece of corruption comes to notice, we'll take action against the officers.